Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Confirm the camera supports ONVIF or DMSS protocol and that you have IP plus admin credentials. Next, make sure your phone or PC is on the same subnet as the camera. This avoids NAT complications. Open DMSS and grant required permissions so the app can discover devices. Once DMSS is installed, tap Add Device and choose Auto Search. This finds local IP cameras quickly. This first action set gets you into the pairing flow and prevents common network discovery failures. You now complete the middle steps. If Auto Search found the camera, select it and verify model and firmware. If not, use manual add by entering IP port default 37777 for many devices, username, and password. Make sure the camera is on a stable link. Wired is best, otherwise too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi for range. Once added, assign a static IP or create a DHCP reservation on your router so the camera keeps the same address. This prevents recurring reconfiguration in DMSS and simplifies remote access later. You finish by validating functionality. Open Live View, test PTZ and recording, and confirm playback works. Then, enable remote access either via the camera's P2P code inside DMSS or set router port forwarding and dynamic DNS for direct connections. Save configuration and reboot the camera and DMSS to ensure settings stick. If things go wrong, check for IP conflicts, incorrect port numbers, router firewall rules, outdated firmware, or mistyped credentials. Fixing one of those usually resolves the most persistent connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.